This is a tomato. Do you know there's a time management technique related to tomato called as Pomodoro technique? If you already know it, let's brush it up, and if you don't know about it, let's learn it up. It is scientifically proven that we stay focused, most productive for around 20 to 30 minutes only. After that, we get distracted, start procrastination. Today's common habit we have is that we start visiting any social media platform, so many to choose from, or check our messages on WhatsApp. We get so engrossed in that we don't realize that we lost so much of time. Later, when we realize that we have invested so much of time in a non-productive activity, we regret and then realize it was utter waste of time. So, how can we manage time with Pomodoro time management technique? Request you to quickly click on subscribe button in support of One Door HR. Have you done it? There, at the bottom. Thank you. The first thing, jot down all your to-do tasks in a planner. Planner is a very important tool to stay organized and focused. Arrange your work or study place with all the required material, maybe with a notebook, a pen, a bottle of water to stay hydrated, so that later you don't have to waste your time in finding it. Next step is set a timer on an alarm by using laptop, phone or a watch for 25 minutes. Don't check the timer every now and then. Keep all your distractions away like your phone, your headphones, etc. In this 25 minutes, stay focused on your task uninterruptedly. Now you will say, Minal, what if somebody calls me in this 25 minutes? What should I do? Well, to manage this, there is also a way. You need to practice the strategy called inform, negotiate and call back, which means inform the person that you are in middle of something. Negotiate a time when you can call back to the person. Call back the person when your one Pomodoro cycle is complete. After 25 minutes, when the alarm rings, it's time to take break. You can stretch your body, relax yourself, have a sip of water. You can respond to the missed messages. Whatever you want to do, you can do. It's break time. But this break time is only for 5 minutes. Breaks are important to rejuvenate not only your own self, but your thinking cells also. All about how much qualitative time you are investing rather than the quantity of the time you are investing. Repeat this cycle of 4 Pomodoros. Each cycle is called as 1 Pomodoro. After that, take a break of 20 minutes, which is called as long break, and then get back to work if anything is unfinished. The best way to check if this technique is working for you or no is you should have pre and post comparison of the time what you're taking to complete a particular task. Interesting part of this technique is you can implement it while studying, reading or learning a new instrument or while cleaning the house, any other daily activities. Learn to be a smart worker rather than just a hard worker. You too implement this and please share with me your good or bad experience. Thanks for clicking the like button and the subscribe button. Please do follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest and now I'm on Insta as well. Thank you.